Welcome back to another video, guys. Today we are going to talk about the 3 pluses and the 3 minuses of the truck driver work. We are going to start from the pluses, and the first one is that the job is not physical job. You don't have to take huge amount of weight on your shoulders and your back, some huge boxes. You don't have to use shovels to do things. You don't have to do nothing. You just have to drive. So this is one of the best jobs if you don't want to do physical work. The second thing that I'm going to put as a plus is that you are working alone and you don't have nobody next to you, which I found it as a huge advantage. I'm a big fan of working alone, being responsible on my own, being just independent. I really like it. The idea of organizing your job and you doing your whole job. It's very nice. You don't have to talk with nobody, you don't have to do nothing. Of course, for me it's a plus. For another people it could be a minus. But I really enjoy it, and it's really a type of job that I prefer. The third one, it's the payment, of course. Many people can say that the truck driver is one of the best paid jobs for what it is, because you only have to drive. Of course, it's not that easy just to drive, and we'll talk about the minuses just after this one. Being able to work this job, you just have to pass a driving license, and it doesn't take so long. Of course, it costs some money, but what doesn't nowadays? So you just have to pass your driving license and 1 month formation. That also costs some money, but as once again, what doesn't cost money? And that's it. Literally for a few months you can have a huge qualification and really change and improve your job to something better. So I think this is a huge advantage of this job. You don't have to study 2, 3, 4 years or even 8 years in some university to be able to go to the big money, as I like to call them. And yeah, this is a huge advantage. Talking about advantages, we can't just name them without saying the minuses of this job. And I'm going to start with the first one and the most important one. This job is dangerous. It's really dangerous, and no matter what people say, being on the road 8 hours per day minimum and having to deal with the people on the road in multiple situations daily, it's hard. It's very risky job, it's very dangerous, and it's very possible that someday you're going to have an accident. So yeah. The second disadvantage, I could say, is the seating position all day. Being seated all the time, totally not the best position for our bodies. You can have a lot of back pain, lower back pain. Our bodies are not meant to be in seated position all the time, so it's really something that it's a huge disadvantage, especially if you do it for years. It's almost sure that you're going to have some pain and it will cause some damage to your body. The third disadvantage and the third minus, I could say, is the stress from this job, because you have to think about your documents, also the huge responsibility of carrying very expensive things, also to find the best road so you can pass through, that there is no bridges that you can cause damage to the truck, and also the risk of going to roads that it's forbidden for trucks, and you can end up stopped by the gendarmerie and the police and having a lot of problems. So this is really a minus, because the stress, it's all the time, it's here, and in any situation you can have it. I'm trying to do as much as possible things to prevent the stress, but sometimes it's coming and you can't do nothing when there is situations that are stressful. It's just like that, and we have to deal with it. So that's it for the today video, guys. If you have some minuses or pluses to write, you can comment down below and give your opinion. Also, if you like this video, I would like you to subscribe for the channel, and see you soon, guys. Bye.